What's up, everyone? So it's our day 7. Today's date is 14th of March, and today we are discussing about some geopolitics topic. And this is the topic of semiconductor war. And my today's topic is semiconductor war. Why microchips are the new oil? Talking about the past, first I want to talk about the past. Like when we talk about the 20th century, the all these countries like war about the all these things we are talk about 20th century. The most important thing was oil. Every country wants the oil, because every machines, every meals, and all these machines in the 20th century factories, they all working on the oil, and oil is so much important back then. And and all the factories which are creating clothes and in the food, and like the oil is mostly present in the southeast countries, and they are holding all the oils till now in 21st century. The main war is like currently the war is going on between the Israel and Iran, and the war prices are still hiking, and there is a lot of there is a lot of issue about the oil and the gas cylinders, LPG. Talking about our topic, semiconductor war. First, I want to talk about the why the semiconductor, or you can say the microchip, are important. All these things in 21st century, like mobiles and AI chips, and even the chipset is used in the missiles, and missile is very important for every country. Missile is used in war, so all the supercomputers, everywhere we use the chips. And there is a company in Taiwan, the TSMC, which hold all the powers. We only one company in all over the world which holds all the semiconductor, and it's a choke point for every other country. They all want to lead in the semiconductor because everything runs now on the semiconductor, and every country wants every country wants. They also have the power about semiconductor, but it's very hard. There are some raw materials which have highly present in the Taiwan. So that's a very important thing which works in the favor of the Taiwan, and why other companies are not making semiconductor. Talking about the Indian perspective, India is also doing very good in the semiconductor market, and there is a huge advancement which is provided by the Indian government to the factories. Like there is a factory, there is a company Micron and Tata Electronics which are working currently on semiconductors, and they all working on new technologies and fueling up for next future. And they also in the competition. Obviously we are late in the competition, but I still think India is a great leader, and India can do the comeback and in the semiconductor, and create and lead all the world by the front end. So that's our topic, and this is all about semiconductor. Meet you tomorrow.